Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna give you a short review, a couple of close-ups of my awesome new set of wrenches. Hi, so in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about those two sets. Hello again. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about those two sets. One is SAE, the other one is metric set of 12 wrenches, and those are Ratcheting Wrench Set, and they also have amazing feature like a flexible head. So let me give you a couple of close-ups and tell you a little bit more about it. So those are Suzume made wrenches, and they come in two different standards. One is metric, and we have 8 through 19 millimeters. The other one is SAE, and it starts from 1/4 to 7/8. The entire set has this closing lid, and then you can clearly see the sizes. And the best part of it is that they have ratcheting thing and also flexible heads. And this feature is great for everybody that has to work in tight spaces. You know how hard it is. And also you have a ratcheting option, so you don't have to worry about moving your tools. So the flexible heads can turn up to 90 degrees one way and 90 degrees the other way. This is really, really awesome. And the ratcheting thing, it clicks every time you move. Both sets also have this nice handle that you can use to hang it in your garage. And this is really, heavy set, so the handles are really well made. This is perfect example where, for example, I need to tighten all those bolts, and you don't really have so much area where you can use the flat wrench like this, so you need to angle a little bit. And I can always make sure that everything is nice and tight, and then with the ratchet I don't have to take it off, so I can always make sure that everything is nice and tight, and you don't need to scrape your hand because you can always angle the tool. On this example, I can show you how you can easily loosen anything and tighten it without removing it. So this is 9/8, so if I need to loosen it up, you can hear the ratchet is clicking, so you can just hold it with the finger and then it can smoothly operate like this. If you want to tighten it, you just flip it over and you go the other way. And of course, because you can angle it, you don't need to scrape your fingers. So much easier. Of course, you can do it the conventional way, but every single time you have to rotate your tool. Of course, sometimes this way is better, but if you can have easy access to the ratchet, that's the best thing you can do. They also have a solid connector over here, and they are really well built. Looks like they are made out of chrome vanadium, which is great material. They also feel good in the hand. So Suzume is the way to go. If you have a place like me in garage where you can hang your tools, this would be the perfect spot for it. And it's not gonna take a lot of space, and everything is nicely accessible. So in summary, this Suzume set is really, really awesome. You have an option to angle your tools, works great. I'm gonna give you the links to this product on the bottom of the description of my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.